Thutha wa guthikiriria miena yothe iri kuruhanitio hari mitaratara ĩrĩa irendekithia kweherio kwa makamicina na kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka bũrũri-inĩ IEBC. Kamiti ya mbunge igie watho na kihoto JLAC nĩĩtirihire ũthuthuria ũyũ ũmũthĩ na gũthiĩ keheri kwa ihinda rĩa thikũ 3 ciũkĩte niguo kuhaririria riboti yayo ĩgie ũthuthuria ũyũ na kũmĩtemania mbunge-ini kiumia giukite.
What we shall present to Parliament will be very well considered. And we promise we are going to do it without fear or favor, without intimidation, without coercion, without undue influence or any other negative influence that may come along.
Umuthi kamiti ino ĩgũtanyĩte gũthikĩrĩria macokio ma makamicina Juliana Cherera, Francis Waderi na Justus Nyang'aya othe arĩa mang'athirie gwĩkinyia na handũ-inĩ hoguo matũma mawakiri yao. Francis Waderi kuhitukira uwakiri wake nduru gĩcambera kamiti ino ndangĩhota kuheana macokio make atarĩ na wuira na maratathi marĩa aretitie.
No fair outcome would emanate from the investigations of this committee. That is our fair assertion. Owing to, as has been said by Honorable Vice Chair, that this is a matter that has brought about a lot of media and national attention.
How are you doing justice to your client when you're asking for some affidavits from Chebukati, when you're asking for some videos in Bomas of Kenya, and yet the accusations are personal and not institutional? Do you want this committee to say or to assume that the accusations leveled against you by the petitioners will go undefended by you?
We still feel that in the absence of provision of the material that we have sought, would be unable to commit ourselves to the hearing of today.
Justus Nyang'aya kuhitukira uwakiri wake Jotham Aro ahoya kamiti no mweke wa kuhuga mahuri muikarĩri gĩtĩ wa kamiti ya IEBC Wafula Chebukati niguo ahote gwĩtheria kumana na mateta mothe mamũgũmĩire ihoya rĩrĩa rĩteanĩirio nĩ kamiti no ta gũkorwo rĩhĩtũkĩtwo nĩ mahinda.
Petitioners have brought a petition to the committee or to the National Assembly and would like certain issues addressed. And if you accept, or if your client agrees with these clauses of the Constitution, don't you think then it would be respectable to subject yourself to the power of the sovereign by responding to the petitions that they bring before the National Assembly?
The petitioner also indicated in the letter that he would wish to cross-examine Mr. Wafula Chebukati, who is the author of all the allegations that have been relied on by the petitioners. He maintains that those allegations are not true.
Mwene-inĩ wake mũnini wa mũikarĩri gĩtĩ wa IEBC Juliana Cherera ng'athirie gwĩkinyia cikaro-inĩ ici na handũ-inĩ hoguo atũma wakiri wake Apollo Boya ũrĩa wandĩkĩire kamiti ĩno akĩenda kũheo thikũ 7 nĩguo kuharĩria macokio make akiuga matinaheo ihinda rĩiganu gũthũrima mateta marĩa mamũgũmĩire.
We must have candid reasons to convince the House why it should accept the petitioner's petitions or why it should actually reject the petitioner's petitions. So the extension is only limited to 3 days to enable us produce a report.
Girivotera Kameme TV, jitagwo mũhũra wa Gunyam.